The textile industry in India contributes up to 3% of our GDP. With 50-plus years of industry experience, Vardhman Group is a leading textile conglomerate in India with turnover of more than $1 billion and the largest spindle count in the country. Every year, Vardhman produces 240,000 metric tons of yarn and weaves 240 million meters of fabric, with 18 leading manufacturing facilities and giving employment to 30,000 people. With a global presence spread over more than 75 countries, we have more than 60% brand business, which makes us more diversified. Out of 1.1 million spindles, we have a dedicated melange manufacturing unit in Malerkotla, having 50 metric tons per day capacity with top-notch mechanization and the best technical teams.
Hi, I am Sumit Agarwal, Business and Unit Head of Melange Yarn at Aryan Spinning Mills, Malerkotla. We offer wide variety of melange yarn through ring and vortex technology in cotton, synthetic, cellulosic, and cotton recycle as well as polyester recycle fiber. Our melange yarn shade card Rangoli offer more than 1,500 color range across all product categories. We believe in producing high quality of melange yarn as per international standard. With customer-centric approach, we aim to become a preferred melange yarn supplier for our international and domestic customers.
With world-class technology and an enriched experience, we have capabilities to produce melange yarn in 100% cotton and in blends with fibers like cellulosic, wool, silk, acrylic, sea-cell, silkworm, and many more, which are possible in various themes and pattern-based like jasp, spectra, cyro, slub, and correspond. According to the order received from the customer, the recipe for the product is prepared, and then the components required for the final product are determined. To ensure consistency, all previous supply records are checked, and an internal trial is taken before proceeding with bulk. In melange yarn, we have two parts of raw material, gray and dyed. Gray comes in the form of sliver, where cotton combing is done to clean impurities, and dyed silver comes from an in-house fiber dyeing facility. Sustainable fibers like recycled cotton comes from our in-house fabric shredding facility, where fabric clippings are converted into quality fiber through a gentle opening process. Melange yarn process starts from mixing of gray and dyed silvers in a tuft blender with specified proportions to get the desired color. This mixture is transferred to the blending machine to make it homogeneous, which is then auto-transferred to the blow room section and stored in bins. Standardized conditioning is done on the mixture to neutralize the static charge of fiber. The fiber mixture is processed through FlexiClean for the opening and mixing of fibers, and the same is auto-transferred to the carding section. Carding process cleans the seed coats and straightens the entangled fiber by removing neps. After that, sliver is moved to the breaker and finisher draw frames for parallelization of fiber. At this stage, the color consistency is checked by producing sample yarn and fabric at our in-house product development center. Once sample match is confirmed, the mixture sliver is taken to the speed frame to make it thinner and finer by twisting and stretching. The same is used at the ring frame and converted into yarn by drafting and twisting of fiber. To make the final yarn package, ring frame bobbins are processed in winding machines. During winding, yarn passes through the latest Ooster Quantum 3 clearers, which eliminates yarn faults generated during spinning process. Parallel to the ring yarn, we have a Vortex air-jet spinning system from Murata, Japan, which differentiates itself for low piling, as well as clear appearance of the fabric. Yarn is tested for quality as per Ooster standards in the laboratory, and also a knitting trial is conducted at our in-house knitting facility to check runnability and fabric appearance. Before packing, yarn packages are passed through a conditioning process. After all quality checks, yarn is packed into paper cartons and stored at warehouses for shipping across the globe. We have an independent new product development team who coordinates with leading international as well as national brands. The product development team studies upcoming fashion and color forecasts. Based on that, fiber is converted into melange yarns. The team has developed various products like Fascia Nova, Performa, Infeel, Pro Green, and Sandspill to meet the customer requirements.
Hi, I'm Neeraj Jain, the business head of spinning for Vardhman Textiles. We are one of the largest players for melange, not only in terms of the size, but in terms of the importance for giving the right products at a right cost to the customers. We are getting lots of support from all our customers, so based upon that, we are expanding our business also, not only for grey yarns but the melanges also. So we intend to take our capacity of 1.2 million spindles to 1.5 million spindles, and we'll be adding almost 30-40% capacity increase in the melanges also, which I'm sure will be in a position to give a better service to the customer, not in terms of only the variety of products but also in terms of the faster deliveries to all the customers.
With a vision of rooted in values, making world-class textiles, our manufacturing facility is carefully tailored, which has successfully made our process faster, innovative, effective, with enhanced quality, which gives us a competitive edge. Our team is focused to serve customers with tailor-made products with great enthusiasm and perseverance always.